MainWP Updates with Dennis Dornan.
MainWP managers, in this video we're going to go over what I find most exciting about the release of MainWP 4.2, our privacy updates. Since the beginning of MainWP over 8 years ago, we have been focused on privacy, and today I'm excited to announce that we have launched privacy policies that have been explicitly written for the MainWP plugins. Before going any further, I want to make sure to say I am not an attorney. My views in this video are purely informational, and if you have any questions, you should speak to an attorney that can help with your specific legal needs. In fact, that is exactly what we did when we had GDPR questions. We reached out to Donata Stroik-Skilrud of Agency Attorneys and President of Termageddon. Donata is not only an attorney focused on privacy, but she is also a certified information privacy professional. Along with that, she is chair of the American Bar Association's e-Privacy Committee and vice chair of the Chicago Bar Association's Privacy and Cybersecurity Committee. Using her knowledge and expertise, we went through both the dashboard and child plugins with a fine-tooth comb to ensure no personally identifiable information was collected nor sent back to our servers. These privacy policies are different from your standard website privacy policies and are laser focused on the MainWP plugins you install to take care of your client's sites. The privacy policies for both our dashboard and child plugins breaks down to this. We simply do not collect any personally identifiable information from you, period. No personally identifiable information is ever collected nor sent back to the MainWP servers from your dashboard. And since we collect no personally identifiable information from either the dashboard or child plugins, there are no privacy implications from your usage of our plugins, whether it relates to GDPR or to any other privacy laws such as the CCPA, PIPEDA, Australia's Privacy Act, and more. You can find copies of our plugin privacy policies directly in your MainWP dashboard, on the MainWP website, or in our GitHub repository, along with the plugin descriptions sections of WordPress.org. With the release of version 4.2, MainWP is truly a privacy-first WordPress manager.
To keep up with MainWP, join the MainWP community at meta.mainwp.com or follow us on any of our official social media channels.